Hi, it's me, Benny, and today... Whoa, look where we are! We are at the airport! Today we learn airport words. So many things here. Let's go! Whoa, look at that! This is a ticket! Ticket! Can you say it? Ticket. Ticket. Yes, that's right. You did it. Ticket. You said it. Whoa, look at that. This is a passport. Passport. Can you say it? Passport. Passport. Yes, that's right. You did it. Passport. You said it. Whoa, look at that. This is a bag. Bag. Can you say it? Bag. 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 Yes, that's right. You did it. Bag. You said it. Whoa, look at that. This is a gate. Gate. Can you say it? Gate. 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 Yes, that's right. You did it. Gate. You said it. Whoa, look at that. This is a plane. Plane. Can you say it? Plane. 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 Yes, that's right. You did it. Plane. You said it. Whoa, look at that. This is a runway. Runway. Can you say it? Runway. Runway. Yes, that's right. You did it. Runway. You said it. Whoa, look at that. This is a tower. Tower. Can you say it? Tower. Tower. Yes, that's right. You did it, Tower. You said it. Whoa! Look at that. This is a pilot. Pilot. Can you say it? Pilot. 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 Yes, that's right. You did it. Pilot, you said it. Ticket. Passport. Bag. Bag. Gate. Plane. Runway. Tower. Pilot. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.